What's up, guys? It's Elite Alex here. Today we are going to Stepping Stone Falls in Michigan. We're like 5 to 10 minutes away, and I'll get back to you guys when we get there. Bulldozer. Wow, that's cool. I like bulldozers.
5 minutes till we're there.
Yep. There's a bike right there. Can I zoom in? Yep. Little biker right there.
Decided he needed gas, apparently.
Yeah. We'll get back to do like another one how far are we?
4 minutes out.
4 minutes away. I'll wait like 3 then. I'll just record for another minute. We are here at, wait, hold up. Actually, there we go. We're here at Stepping Stone Falls. Look pretty beautiful. Not yet. Is that a... Come on. Oh, hold up. I need to recenter it. No, I can't see it. I was gonna see if there's a dam over there. Oh my gosh!
Oh, I didn't bring any. You ready to get pooped on by birds?
Oh my god! There's at least 100. Oh my gosh!
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, this is gonna be an adventure. I should make a series called Adventure with Alex.
You want your sunglasses or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna wear them. Ooh. It's like 90 degrees out.
Not for sure.
Wow.
Oh, do you want any sunblock? I was gonna put a little on my arms.
Nah, I'm good. I get sunburn. If I get turned on my head, I'm jumping in the water. No joke. If I get pooped on, I'm jumping in the water. Time to dodge some turds. How do even so many birds come here?
I don't know if you probably feed them.
Should have brought some bread. Wow. Yeah. I'm watching that one flies over my head. I'm gonna dodge.
We got a water in the car. We could always drink that.
Yeah. Oh, there's geese too. I'm taking my sunglasses off now. Geese. Yeah. Yeah. I thought I was. I checked and I thought I wasn't, but yeah, I am. I don't want to get that close.
Do you want to go check out Stepping Stone Falls?
Yeah, sure. We're gonna walk.
Oh, this looks like a nightmare for Grandma, man. Hold on, I gotta take a little video just for
Oh
Grandma's
my.
sake, because Grandma hates birds.
Oh my god. Let me take a picture. I need to take a picture of this real quick. Look at all that. Yeah, I took some pictures. Wow.
Ready?
Oh.
So wild.
Oh. I know. Oh, look at that right there. Let's see that. Pretty sure just watch one poop.
Yeah, as long as they don't poop on us, we're good.
They poop on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but we'll get back. Wow. That's cool.
Lots of birds, huh?
Yeah, lots of birds. Yeah, I totally need your hat. When we pass them up, I'm good. I'll Catch you guys back when we get to Stepping Stone Falls. One more look at the birds. Peace. Okay, we're not at Stepping Stone Falls, but I wanted to look at something real quick because you see how many birds there? There's a whole beach down there.
Yeah, that's Bluebell Beach.
Birds! Yeah, fly away. Wow. Wow. Well, I'm not putting my hand over there. Oh, that's huge. Wow. Yeah, well, I'm probably going to end the video here. You guys get a good look at it.
You see down there?
Well, I need to hold this. Ooh. Yeah, that's what. But, catch you guys later, and hope you have a good day, and Alex X9 here. Peace.